Hello, welcome back to 90 Seconds Healthcare. Safety culture. Well, while you are drinking your tea, think about safety culture. While you're exercising, think about safety culture. What is safety culture? Safety culture is an organizational culture that places a high level of importance on safety beliefs, values, and attitudes. And these are shared by the majority, if not all, of the people in the workplace, in the organization, the hospital, or the clinic. How do we do that? Without really overcomplicating this, we need three things. We need number one, organization support. If you don't have leadership support, it's not going to happen. Number two, what's the culture? It's the norms, the values, the beliefs of the institution. And we need to do measurements to follow this and take care of it. How do you implement it? We can make it very complicated and discuss this for hours and hours. But from my humble experience, three things need to be done. Number one, there has to be a strategic plan from the leadership all the way down to the middle management and, very importantly, the frontliner of having the safety culture as a top priority. The second thing is what we call staff or caregiver education. Physicians, nurses, administrator, and very importantly, patients and their families as they go in, whether it's an outpatient service or an inpatient service. And three, and very importantly, data collection and measurement. So we're talking about incident reporting. We're talking very importantly about surveillance, infection control. We're even talking about facility and even more importantly, assessing the safety culture itself through the appropriate and well-known survey. If people stop you in the elevator and say, what is patient safety culture? What do you mean by that? And you don't have time, you only have 10 seconds. You say, it's lack of fear of retaliation of all the caregivers and the staff in a healthcare organization. And I hope we'll all get to do that. And I think safety culture is the top priority because really culture eats the strategy for breakfast, not even for lunch. Thank you very much.